Education, they say, is the key to national development. Providing support for education is crucial for personal growth and national growth. Directaid Society is continuing its support to the Ghanaian citizenry with scholarship to enable them have the best of education. Over the weekends, Directaid Society granted over 111 students tuition fee for their continuous education at various levels of study, from the university to the secondary school. The ceremony to present the checks to the beneficiaries saw the attendance of people from the academia, Islamic clerics, among others. Dr. Bunyamin Al-Hassan, lecturer at the University of Professional Studies, who happens to be the special guest of honor, has this to say.
The scholarship has been very impactful over the years. Because I can remember two of my students who are the beneficiaries of the scholarship. One of them even happens to be my teaching assistant in the university. Right from infancy, he benefited from the scholarship till date. And currently, as we speak, he's in the final year for his master's program. And he's also an accountant working with community water and sanitation development. So, in fact, I can really attest to the fact that the scholarship has contributed a lot to the growth of our students and also the young people in Ghana. So, and I will encourage Directaid to continue with the scholarship, because some students are saying that without the scholarship, they wouldn't have been able to reach where they are today. So, on behalf of the students who have benefited, I would like to thank Directaid. The beneficiaries of the scholarship, I will aid them to continue to work hard and also to demonstrate to Directaid and also the community that they have benefited from the scholarship. And at the same time, the scholarship, they should be able to tell people that this is what they have done. One day we see them to become doctors, engineers, or to become people who are very important in the community. So I will tell them that there are a lot of few people who try to pollute the mind of others by getting them to indulge in certain acts like smoking, gambling, and what have you that we have in our various campuses in the universities. They should try to be independent-minded. They should try to work diligently and demonstrate to the those who have given the scholarship that this is what they have used the scholarship for.
Some beneficiaries could not hide their feelings as they expressed their gratitude to Directaid Ghana.
I used to be a product of if not paid your school fees, next week don't come to school. And I know that is very stressful. As Directaid has come into my life, I'm not experiencing that again. I would like to say a very big thank you. This is my second time receiving scholarship from Directaid. It has really lifted a burden on my parents and myself, the stress. So I'd like to say a very big thank you, and may Allah reward them, we the beneficiaries as well. May Allah reward us and put this to great use.
We say a very big thanks to Directaid Society for being a good help for the past years and the subsequent years to come. But we consider that without their support, life wouldn't be easy for we the students. And we say a very big thanks to them, and may Allah continue to reward them. May Allah continue to strengthen them to help us more.
Mr. Ali Abdul Salam is the Mercy Social Center Director of Directaid Ghana, underscores the importance of this gesture provided to the students.
Basically, this scholarship program will help a lot because we know most of the students are coming to our office requesting for this type of programs. So I'm very happy those who are fulfilling the Directaid requirement to get this scholarship, they are very happy, and I think they are very lucky because we have a lot of trained those who are withdrawing from the school, dropping from even GHS and SHS school because of the shortage of the school fees. So I think it's a good chance, and they are lucky to get this type of program. Especially this program is continuing, not only for 1 year. Those who have getting a good result, they can apply again and again till they finish the university.
The country director, Directaid Ghana, Mr. Sami Hanendek, calls on the beneficiaries to be mindful of this support for them to replicate it sometime in the future.
Today we give you our sponsor from Kuwait head office, donated for you. I need you in the future. Tomorrow, as you take today, you give your community after that. You give your Muslim Ummah after that. So, you take today. After that, you have to give. And we have no discrimination between anybody. We deal with the Ghanaian people as our brothers, our sisters. No discrimination in politics, no discrimination in religion. We deal with the Ghanaian people, they are equal for us. So we hope Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give you successful life and you will success. And inshallah, I promise you, as I promised you last year, you remember last year, I promise you this program will continue for next year, inshallah, and we will increase the number of the beneficiaries from this program. I ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to give Ghana the country of peace, the country of security, yani with the help of you, inshallah, we will continue with peace and security. Thank you so much. Allah bless you.
Directaid, with his by side. Directaid, with his by side. Thank you.
Hafiz TV, unique every day.